In the last video, I explained a quick setup of OmniVoice within comfyUI, but the node still gives problems due to the dependencies required. A different interface of OmniVoice is active on Hugging Face space, which you can use, but if you are using it for free, then there is a limit. So in this video, I will be setting up a similar application to use OmniVoice text-to-speech on Windows. The installation process may feel a bit complicated if you are a beginner in Python projects, but I have tried to make it simple, so let's begin. I will begin the setup for OmniVoice in this folder, and this is the project on GitHub. Before we begin, you need Git installed on your computer. Search Git for Windows, and you should see this in the first result. Click here to download the file, and then install the program with all the default settings. After installation, open CMD and type git-v. Make sure you type the letter V in lowercase, and you should see the version. But if it says Git was not found, then you need to search for environment variables, which is in the system properties. Under the Advanced tab, click this environment variable, and then in the lower section, System Variables. Look for the path, then select and click Edit. You will need this path in the list to make Git command work anywhere in CMD. If it is not present, then click the New button and then type it. Or else I will share the path with you. Check the video's description. Click OK once you're done adding the path. Open the CMD again, and then it should be accessible. Go to the folder in which you want to do the installation and open the CMD. Copy the clone URL and then type git clone, then paste the URL, then press enter. The project has been cloned in the folder. The next step is about entering the project folder. Copy this and paste it into the CMD. Now the CMD is inside this folder. Next, we need to create an environment so that we can install all the requirements for this project in the environment. To create this environment, we need to install Python. I will search for Python 10 for Windows. Python version 10 must be here somewhere. I will get the latest Python 10 file. I will save the file in the same folder, but you can save it anywhere. Link to this page will be given. I have noted down the steps so that I can share the same with you. Install the downloaded file by clicking this Install Now option. Before that, make sure you check this box. This will add the Python path automatically, similar to Git. The installation was done. I will close this and open the CMD again to check if Python is accessible or not. The Python is installed and accessible in CMD. Now we can continue with the OmniVoice setup. In the project folder, I will open CMD. Now I will create a virtual environment using this command. The commands will be shared with you. Now we need to activate the environment. And we are now in the virtual environment. Next, we will be installing the requirements. This process takes some time. To me, it took around 3 to 4 minutes. I am using an NVIDIA GPU, and there are some instructions given for Torch installation. This CU refers to NVIDIA's CUDA. This should match with the CUDA version present in my computer. You need to run this command to check your computer's CUDA version. Something happened to my CMD. This is a UI problem. I will close the CMD and open it again, activate the environment, and then run the command. So it says the CUDA version is 12.4. This 12.8 will not work for me. I will have to change this command. But the specified CUDA version here is compatible with the specified Torch version. This means I will not be able to get away with just changing the CUDA version. I will also have to find a compatible Torch version. I will go to the PyTorch website, and the version 12.6 is here. I will have to check the previous version, and my requirement is version 12.4. This line has the information I need. I will copy and paste the command given for the installation. And now I will edit the CUDA version. This is the Torch audio version for CUDA 12.4. I will make sure the Torch and Torch audio match the recommendations below. And now I will press enter. This 2.5 gigabyte file is being downloaded. After a few minutes, the process was completed. I have noted all the commands, and this command is for CUDA 12.4. You can use it if it matches your CUDA, or else I showed you how to find the correct pair of Torch and CUDA for your computer. And this link should help you find the old versions. Now I will launch the program using this command. In the first run, a few model files are being downloaded. And now it is running on my local address. Press Ctrl and click this link. Then it should get open in your web browser. I hope this command helps someone, and I did not miss anything here. I have now closed the program by closing the CMD, and when I need to start the program again, I will have to run the environment activation command again. Inside the project folder, start the CMD again, paste the environment activation command, and now we are in the environment. The requirements will be accessible to the program when it runs in the environment. So, this is how you will do when running for the second time. This interface allows you to clone the voice. The other option is for voice design. This will do the text-to-speech with some simple settings to tune the voice, making it more realistic. I will quickly copy and paste the text here, and then click the Generate button.
State-of-the-art text-to-speech model for 600+ languages, supporting voice clone. Omni-Voice from a reference audio voice designs. Create custom voices with speaker attributes built with OmniVoice by Xiaomi AI Lab Next Gen CUDA team.
The result was fine, but it sounded more robotic instead of realistic. We do have some options below to make it better. Like this, I have selected the gender as female, which made it better.
State-of-the-art text-to-speech model for 600+ languages supporting voice clone. Clone any voice from a reference audio voice design. Create custom voices with speaker attributes built with OmniVoice by Xiaomi AI Lab Next Gen CUDA team.
Download and save it. Similarly, there is an option based on a person's age. To get a clear idea of what OmniVoice is capable of and whether you should take the pain to install this, you can go to the project page. Here you can find the demo results, and you will get an idea of its capabilities. In this example, this is the audio.
Some call me nature.
And this is what the audio said. And this is the text we want to convert into speech. The result generated is on the right, and that is how the examples are on this page. After simple voice cloning, we can find the cross-lingual TTS below.
对，这就是我万人敬仰的太乙真人。
The audio file uploaded for reference is Chinese, and the text below corresponds to the audio file above. This is the text to be converted into speech, and the result here should be similar to the Chinese audio we heard.
Suddenly, there was a burst of laughter beside me. I looked at them, stood up straight with high spirit, shook the slightly fleshy arms, and smiled.
The result was good, so let's put it to the test. I will download the Chinese sample audio, and then I will go to the voice clone section. Copy and paste the text. Upload the Chinese sample audio.
对，这就是我万人敬仰的。
The settings below are at the default, and I will click Generate.
Suddenly, There was a burst of laughter beside me. I looked at them, stood up straight with high spirit, shook the slightly fleshy arms, saying, "The flesh on my body is to hide my bursting charm. Otherwise, wouldn't it scare you?" I smiled lightly, saying, "The flesh on my body is to hide my bursting charm. Otherwise, wouldn't it scare you?"
There is a slight difference, but the result is close to what I can find here. We can tweak the settings here to make changes like the speed and the number of steps. This is the language settings, which is set to auto. The difference is clear, but the likeness can be subjective. Below are samples of audio in different languages. The speech is generated in different languages while maintaining the tone of the sample audio. Here, the sample audio is of different languages, and the text-to-speech generated is in a different language. All the results spoken are referring to the same tone as the sample audio. Further, it also works for both genders. Voice design samples begin from here. Audio instructions are specified here. These instructions are based on gender, age, and accent.
The world is full of amazing wonders. There are high mountains, blue oceans.
Select the same options here to create your character. Next is the emotion and expression.
You really got me. I didn't see that coming at all.
I will try this if it works.
You really got me. I didn't see that coming at all.
It works. I have a few keywords that can be used in a similar way as we are using the word laughter here. I will share those with the installation commands. Noise robustness. The model can pick the character's audio to clone, even if the background is full of noise.
He went here, there, and everywhere in perfect contentment. Please forgive me for this underhanded way of admitting I had turned 40.
This was impressive. I will try it myself. You have to close this, and then you can upload a different sample audio.
Please forgive me for this underhanded way of admitting I had turned 40.
It took the character's audio from a noisy sample and generated a decent result. I think that is it. You will have to try it by yourself. But it is not disappointing. I'm sure you can complete your work with this if you have around 6 gigabytes of VRAM in your computer. 8 gigabytes is recommended though. So that is it in this video. I wish you an excellent day.